glue go?
And there.
You know where that glue went?
The what, honey?
That clear, I guess it was glue, hey. Okay. What do you want to do to this egg? It ain't dry yet. You're supposed to let it dry, yeah.
And
We ain't got time for all that. We got an impatient kid.
We got an impatient mother, too.
I'm hungry. So we're going, woo! Woo! Okay. Okay. Now, I want you to pour this in here.
Okay.
Okay, damn. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. It's open. Just turn it upside down. Turn it upside down in the bowl. There.
Good girl. Whee.
Good. Okay. All done with that. You want to roll this egg in it? Roll your wet egg. I wonder if it'll stay on there. Here, put your egg in there. Roll her in there. Roll her.
Look at that face.
It ain't gonna stay. Where's the glue? Where'd the dang glue go? That's a pin. You can write on it.
You just had it, baby.
Here it is.
Oh, there it is.
I guess that's. I don't heck if I know what that is. Gosh, I don't want to touch it. And it dang. Bye-bye. Mommy's coming.
You want me to get it?